Alright guys, so now let's continue with the next file, the chapter 1 practice 4, the Judson for Realty. See, they're not that hard guys, but still see them so you can see how to do them. So once you click on the file, downloads, etc., make sure you click enable editing. And this one, try to manipulate the formatting so it looks nice and neat, because if you notice, if we were to print it out, it's going to look all weird. It's not going to have borders around it. It's not going to look nice. So let's start with that. So select A1 to G. Why not H? Because there's nothing in column H. And then you click on the Merchant Center command. So that automatically centers everything you have within that particular amount of cells. If you want to put a border, a bottom line border around it, something that out of your choice. So there's a lot of cool, neat tools and commands and icons that will help you make it more presentable. And then same thing, maybe from A3 to G10, maybe you want to put an outside border all around, so all borders, so it looks nice. Maybe the labels from A to G, I want to do the grab text so they fit adequate. And then maybe you can select A through G and double click on whichever one, oops, except for that one. What I'm trying to do here, when you select those cells, you're forcing it to manipulate to the column width, to the size of that information. Or manually, you just grab them and make them smaller according to what you're going to be working with. So whichever column you want to adjust, just click on it so it looks a little bit better. Maybe extend the height of it, so see? Play with it so it looks nice. So you do that, and then maybe you want to center them so they look a little bit nice. Size of the square feet, maybe it'll look better. We just put the comma, so and then take away the decimals. Asking and selling price, that looks more like a money currency, so put a currency amount. And maybe you want to decrease the decimals. If it still doesn't fit the pounds, that's what it's telling you in Excel, that they don't fit. Maybe the labels bolded, make it look better. So it's just a little bit on the formatting. Totals, maybe another border all around that. And the commission, maybe a nice border, or you could even put a nice sales style around it that you paint and it looks nice and neat. So percentage, maybe it looks better as a percent and increase one decimal. Realtor, so put your name there. Well, no, that's not my name. So go ahead and put your name and probably ID number in that same section. Cool. So quick editing. So right here, not all of them, but some of them I kind of gave you the idea, but let's just look at it. Price per square foot. We know the size of the property that you sold. You're a realtor now. You have the asking price and you have the selling price. Really, asking price is your dream. That's the amount the owner wanted to sell the house for. But reality, so that's the selling price, what it actually sold for. So we take the selling price and divide by the square feet, the size of the property. It's going to tell you how much money each square foot was sold. You don't need blocks or anything because everything's changing. They're variables. Commission. So you're the realtor, you're going to get 3.5% on what you sold it for. So here, I'm going to get the selling price and multiply by that rate. I don't want it to move it, so that's when you put the log, the F4 function key, or the dollar signs. And then maybe you don't want to round, take away decimals, and cool. And add to homeowner, so the owner, he sold it for so much, but he's going to pay your commission, so what's left over, so much money. That's it. Maybe on totals to make it look nice and neat. Just select which cells do need to be included and copy your formula. Maybe select the nice information so you can make a chart out of it or not. You decide, guys. So right now I'm just showing you the quick tips of how to manipulate them and what kind of formulas will make it look a little bit better. Cool, guys. So any other questions or concerns, email me or send an instant message. All right, guys, take care. See you later. Bye.